Embracing rustic charm, transform your home with natural elements. Introduction. Welcome to the Rustic Revolution. Welcome back to Decor Lab, your go-to channel for all things rustic home decor. Today, we're diving deep into the world of rustic charm, exploring how to infuse your living spaces with natural elements that not only enhance aesthetics but also evoke a sense of warmth and comfort. If you're passionate about creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere in your home, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up if you enjoy this content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's embark on this rustic journey together. The essence of rustic design. Rustic design is more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that celebrates the beauty of the natural world. Characterized by its earthy tones, raw materials, and a cozy, lived-in feel, rustic design draws inspiration from nature. Imagine wood beams, stone accents, and a color palette that mirrors the changing seasons. This aesthetic encourages a connection to the outdoors, creating a sanctuary that feels grounded and authentic. By integrating these elements, you can transform your home into a peaceful retreat, reflecting not just your personal style, Choosing natural materials. At the heart of rustic decor lies the use of natural materials. Wood is, of course, the star of the show. From reclaimed barn wood to weathered driftwood, the options are limitless. Consider incorporating a mix of textures, like smooth finishes for furniture paired with rough-hewn beams for architectural details. Stone also plays a significant role. Think of a rugged stone fireplace as the focal point of your living room. To amplify the rustic charm, complement these materials with organic fabrics such as linen, cotton. Color palettes that inspire. When it comes to color palettes for rustic design, the key is to keep it earthy and muted. Shades of brown, green, and soft grays will help to create a serene environment. Consider incorporating deeper hues, such as forest green or burnt sienna, to add depth and interest to your spaces. Accent these colors with pops of brighter tones through accessories, like cushions or wall art, to keep the look fresh and inviting. Remember that the colors you choose should evoke feelings of warmth and tranquility, making your home a place where you can unwind and recharge. Rustic furniture choices. Selecting the right furniture is crucial in achieving that rustic look. Opt for pieces that have a handcrafted feel, showcasing natural imperfections that add character. Vintage or antique finds can also elevate your decor, giving each piece a story and a unique charm. Consider investing in a large, sturdy dining table made from reclaimed wood, a perfect gathering spot for family and friends. Don't shy away from mixing different styles either. Pairing a rustic table with more modern chairs can create an intriguing contrast that keeps the space visually interesting. Accessorizing with nature. Accessories are where you can really let your personality shine in rustic decor. Think about incorporating natural elements like potted plants, dried flowers, or even a small herb garden. These additions not only bring life to your space but also improve air quality and add a fresh touch. Incorporate rustic accents like wicker baskets, vintage lanterns, and handmade ceramics to enhance the theme. The goal is to create a cohesive look that feels organic and unpretentious, allowing each accessory to contribute to the overall ambience of your home. Lighting for a cozy atmosphere. Lighting plays a vital role in setting the mood in any room. For a rustic feel, opt for warm, ambient lighting that creates a cozy atmosphere. Consider using wrought iron fixtures, pendant lights with a vintage finish, or even candles for that extra touch of warmth. Incorporating natural light is equally important. Large windows or glass doors can help connect your interior with the outdoors. During the evening, the glow from your light sources will create a welcoming environment, inviting you to relax and unwind after a long day. Personal touches, making it yours. While embracing rustic design, it's essential to inject your personality into your home. Personal touches, such as family photos in rustic frames, travel souvenirs, or artwork, can make your space uniquely yours. Think about displaying handmade crafts or incorporating elements that reflect your hobbies and interests. This personalization not only enhances the rustic charm but also tells your story, making your home feel lived in and loved. Remember, rustic design is not just about aesthetics, it's a Conclusion, your rustic journey awaits. As we wrap up today's exploration of rustic home decor, remember that creating a warm and inviting space is an ongoing journey. With a focus on natural materials, earthy colors, and personal touches, you can cultivate a home that embodies rustic charm. We hope you found inspiration in today's video and are excited to start implementing these ideas in your own spaces. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more tips, give us a like, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Your rustic journey awaits. Let's create